welcome back to our channel, or if you're new here, welcome to our channel. So if we're talking a bit quieter, I'm hopefully going to edit this so you could hear us a bit better, but it's because our little baby's sleeping over there. So, he's snoozing. So, in today's video, we are going to be doing another Woot bag of crap unboxing.
Yeah.
I don't know how much Devin spent on this. $10. So let's dig in. All he did was took off the shipping, information.
I pre-cut
it off camera. So let's dig in and see what we got.
I got a purple bag this time.
Purple bag.
That'll be good for
Locked in those numbers.
Yeah. Buy all my crap on Woot. Yeah, kind of.
Car sticker sheet. If you read this, then you're probably following too close, or hopefully you're reading it while the car is parked, which is frankly much safer, and it gives me a chance to tell you about Woot.com. Oh my god, it's a car sticker sheet. The safe all over your vehicle, ultra removable sticker. The sticker promotes Woot.com. We put it on your car. That is the funniest thing. We'll have to do a close about that, because it's kind of hard to...
So I'm like,
I know,
the thing is upside down. Look at that.
A notebook.
Notebook
Oxford
for you.
one subject notebook.
Notebook for you.
Thanks.
Considering I have, 20 notepads over there? A message for you.
Masks.
Yeah.
Ooh, spot day.
These ones you cut.
Spot day for me. What for you? Home for the holidays.
Pillow covers. 4-pack.
That's kind of cute, actually. So you stick a pillow in there.
A little dog.
Is that a dog? Oh, it is a dog. That's cute.
Hey, look. We got more of these. What do you think of these? That's funny. The box is kind of...
The box is a little damaged.
Hello?
Everything's in there, though.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
I think this is like a return, and they're like, here, throw it in. Look at you. Mustache.
What's that?
Plum Hill Salon Cape. That's a
Oh,
neat...
for a hair, for when you get haircuts. A salon cape. So when I do your haircut.
That makes... When you do my hair, I shave my own head.
I help him. Don't even.
Floss sticks for you.
Love that.
Because I use regular floss. Like a savage. Those are cute. Little
Those
clouds.
are so
Like
cute.
LED lights.
Oh my god.
Yes! It's a lava lamp, kind of.
No, the LED lamp.
I know,
Color
but...
changing. What is this box so far? Hot hand warmer.
1, 2, 3, 4. That's 6. 7 hand warmers.
Maybe I spoke too soon. We're not going to need those.
Actually, it's 14 hand warmers because there's 2 in each pack.
Your shower curtain.
You know, want some used tape?
Ew. What's shower curtain?
Yeah, there we go.
You know what?
This one was actually useful for once.
Literally, I really like this box. I think the only thing I'm a little like about are the hand warmers things.
Yeah.
But other than that, we got some really cute things.
Yeah, I got 2 more of these, so now I have, 4 of these just going to be shown.
So comment down below
Sweet.
what you think is the coolest thing we got in this box. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
Bye.